This is the Northwest Training and Development Team and Pathways Coronavirus Update. Today's update is about the COVID-19 vaccine for people with a learning disability. We know people with a learning disability have been more at risk from COVID-19, and our community has been really affected by the pandemic. Because of this, lots of people, including our networks in the Northwest, have told the government that people with a learning disability should be a high priority for receiving the vaccine to protect them from COVID-19. The great news is that all this work has paid off, and the government has confirmed yesterday that people with a learning disability are one of the priority groups to receive the COVID-19 jab. The Minister for Care, Helen Whately, has confirmed yesterday that everyone on a GP Learning Disability Register will be invited to have their first vaccination if they haven't already. We know lots of our community members with a learning disability have already started to get their first vaccination. If you haven't and you're on your GP register, you will be invited for your jab soon. One way to tell that you're on your GP's learning disability register is if you're invited for a learning disability annual health check. If you aren't sure if you're on your GP's learning disability register and you think you should be, you can call your surgery to check. Unpaid carers, including family members of disabled people who are registered as carers with their GP practice, are also being invited for a priority vaccine. Check with your GP if you're not sure if your family member is registered as a carer if they should be. It's really great news. The government has confirmed that everyone on a GP's learning disability register should be invited for their COVID-19 vaccine if they haven't been already. Check if you're on your GP's learning disability register if you think you should be, but you're not sure. Unpaid carers, including family members, are also being invited for priority vaccination.